Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on iPad. I'm gonna give you two methods. The first one is to get Fortnite on your iPad if you've downloaded it before. Go to the App Store on your iPad and tap your profile picture in the top right. Tap Purchased and then My Purchases to see your purchase history. Scroll through your list to use the search bar to find Fortnite. Tap the cloud download icon next to Fortnite to reinstall it. If a family member downloaded Fortnite in the past, you can also access it through family sharing if their Apple ID is linked. If you didn't download Fortnite previously, the second method is for users who never downloaded it. Services like GeForce Now allow you to play Fortnite via cloud streaming on your iPad. Just download the GeForce Now app, log in, and search for Fortnite to play through their platform. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.